suggested breakfast for the first time and I love the outcome. Hello sweetie, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, let's make breakfast for the whole family. Just a few ingredients, your breakfast is ready. Making this breakfast, first ingredient I will be needing is plantain. So over here is the plantain I will be needing on this recipe. I have this plantain in my house ever since I bought it, and I haven't made use of it. Just only one recipe I've already done from inside, and this is getting spoiled. I don't just know what to do with it, so we suggested this breakfast this morning. And then when I opened the plantain, inside was just so fresh. I was thinking before that the plantain has already spoiled, but it's not what I think. The inside was just so amazing. It looks so fresh and nice. After slicing the plantain, then I will just season with a little bit of salt. So here is all the ingredients I'm needing on this recipe. So everything is ready and it's ready for me to use. Next is to get everything fried. First of all, I'll be frying the plantain. So I have oil in the fire. The oil has hot. I will just add in the plantain. Then give it that beautiful fry. Frying the plantain, I did not go far. I just have to stand beside and stir all through. So that is it. I will just fry with medium heat just for 3 minutes. Then I will take it out from the oil. Just see how this is pumping. It just frying so beautifully. Now 3 minutes is there. At this point the plantain has fried. I will just take it out from the oil. Just take a good look at that. It's just looking so yummy. Next to fry is potato chips. So I will just add it inside the oil and give this a beautiful fry. So guys, my first time trying something and this thing worked out. Hey, I can't believe this really. I'm just so happy. So I'm going to bring it as recipe for us. So what I'm talking about is this potato cheese. So guys, ever since I'm frying potato cheese, after frying it, it will get black. So the thing will be black in color. But my first time trying one something, guys, try one something, and that thing work. Just look at my cheese. It's just looking as if I went to KFC, guys. It did not even turn black. It just so to bring it as recipe. I know that you guys is going to love it because just take a good look at that. It's just so amazing. It look clean, no black spot. It's just nice. So next is to fry the chicken. You just have a little bit of chicken there. Just your mouth with something just. And next I just reduce all the oil and I will be stir frying these veggies. Over here I have onions, tomato, hot pepper, carrot, green, yellow and red bell pepper. I will just fry together. Before I will add in the red bell pepper, I will just season with Maggi and salt. Then now I just stir. Now I will be adding the green and yellow bell pepper, so I will just stir together. After now I'm just going to turn off the heat because just veggies, I don't want this to overcook. I will just stir fry for just 2 minutes and my veggies is ready. Look at my table, guys. Everything is set. Everything is set. Between that minutes I just prepare a little bit of juice. So that is watermelon, cucumber and lemon juice. So that is what is going down this morning and I just like the outcome of this recipe. So that is all my people. If you enjoyed this short video, please don't forget to share. For me, I enjoy every bit of this. So if you have everything like this, just get your breakfast ready for your family and I know they will love it. It's just so amazing. For this plantain, I love it. See you in my next one. Bye bye.